So we announced today the successful completion of the first pig gene-edited kidney transplanted into a human living being. This is a major breakthrough in transplantation since we have so many patients waiting for a kidney transplant on the deceased donor list, and many of them will never reach the top of the list to actually get a kidney transplant. So this would add a lot of hope to these patients that will have alternatives in the near future. So the patient was struggling during dialysis because of his lack of vascular access. He was having close to 2 to 3 surgeries a month to keep that access open so he could continue dialysis. Once he received the kidney last Saturday, he has been off dialysis, and today is the day we're going to remove his vascular line, his lifeline that has kept him alive through dialysis, because he doesn't need it. The kidney is able to completely control all his minerals, all his water balance, and there's no need for dialysis. Pigs and humans have certain incompatibilities. Even though the kidney works exactly the same, if you transplant a pig kidney into a human, there's an immediate rejection of that kidney. Over the years, a lot of research, we understood exactly what were the causes of these rejections and what are some of these incompatibilities. And with a major breakthrough in the gene editing tools such as CRISPR-Cas9, we have been able now to do a laser change in the pig's genes in order to make them more compatible to humans. There were 69 added genes on this pig that make it much more compatible to humans, allowing us to do this transplant and make it successful. The very frequent question that we get is, why did we choose a pig? Why didn't we choose a monkey or some other animal? So pigs are very similar in size as humans. Not only that, the kidney function is also exactly the same. So, and most important, they breed very rapidly, so that we are able to grow these pigs into a very contained environment without any risk of infection. So different than a wild pig, these pigs have been cloned. They're from a specific strain of pigs called Yucatan. These are mini pigs, smaller than the usual pigs, and they have been gene edited. They have been changed specific genes and introduced then into a pregnancy in this Yucatan strain in order for us to have very similar and genetically modified pigs to use in transplantation.